3D printing machine will prove to be effective for the construction of houses in the future. This machine will automatically build by laying a layer of concrete. This train runs through residential building in Chongqing, China. The residents of that building have great access for public transport. Specially designed iron cage for sheep that protects them and keeps walking in discipline. Rotating blade that can cut glass into perfect round shape. Sacks are being cut and underground wheat is being poured. In olden times, this type of water pump operated by motor was used. Gas-operated rotating cooker ensures that the dish is cooked evenly without burning. "360-degree rotating card machine can distribute card without any cheating. Two-sided powerful magnet glass cleaner can be operated